Take some small pieces of magnesium ribbon in a test tube. Add 5 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid. On reaction, bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of test tube. Repeat the same experiment with dilute sulfuric acid. For next reaction, take some small pieces of aluminum foil in a test tube. Add 5 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid. On reaction, bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of test tube and observe carefully. Take some powder of wooden coal in a test tube. Add 5 ml of dilute sulfuric acid. Shake well and bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of test tube. Let us see reactions of metals and non-metals with acids. Take samples of metals and non-metals in 5 test tubes and label them as A, B, C, D and E. With the help of a dropper, add 5 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid to each test tube one by one. Observe the reactions carefully. If there is no reactions in cold solution, warm the test tube gently. Bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of each test tube. Repeat the same activity using dilute sulfuric acid instead of dilute hydrochloric acid. We have found that non-metals generally do not react with acids, but metals react with acids and produce hydrogen gas that burns with the sound of pop. Let us see reactions with bases. Prepare a fresh solution of sodium hydroxide in a test tube by dissolving 3 to 4 pellets of it in 5 ml of water. Drop a piece of aluminum foil into it. Bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of the test tube and observe. The pop sound indicates the presence of hydrogen gas. Metals react with sodium hydroxide to produce hydrogen gas, whereas reactions of non-metals with bases are very complex. Displacement reactions. Take 500 milliliter beakers and label them as A, B, C, D and E. Take about 50 ml of water in each beaker. In beaker A, we have added copper sulfate plus zinc. On displacement reaction, zinc replaces copper from copper sulfate and forms zinc sulfate plus reddish powder of copper. Similarly, copper sulfate plus iron forms ferrous sulfate plus copper. Another example of displacement reaction. Uses of metals and non-metals. Metals are used in making machinery, automobiles, aeroplanes, train, satellites, industrial gadgets, cooking utensils, water boilers, etc. Whereas non-metals are essential for our life, which all living beings inhale during breathing. Non-metals used in fertilizers to enhance the growth of plants. Non-metals used in water purification process. Non-metal used in purple colored solution which is applied on wounds as an antiseptic. Non-metals used in crackers.